Philippines stands firm on the rule of law as the ICC pretrial hearing involving former President Rodrigo Duterte gets underway, signaling that justice will take its course without rocking diplomatic waters. Officials stress that President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is steering the country with a steady hand, cracking down on illegal drugs while keeping due process front and center. Kenneth Paciente says it all.
Malacanang is confident that the pre-trial Chamber 1 hearing of the ICC regarding the crimes against humanity case against former President Rodrigo Duterte has no diplomatic implications for the country. The palace insists that other nations see that the current administration does not turn a blind eye to abuses.
Kung ang isang tao ay mag-iisip kung ano ba ang ginagawa ng Pangulo at ng administrasyon na ito, mas gugustuhin po nila ang nangyayari ngayon. Dahil ang Pangulo umaayaw sa abuso, umaayaw sa mga feeling above the law. So, doon lamang po siguro hindi po magkakaroon na anumang issue ito sa atin na administrasyon dahil tumutupad lamang po ang Pangulo sa batas.
Malacanang also responded to the claim of former President Duterte's defense team that drug-related killings allegedly continued during the first 2 years of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s term. The palace challenged them to back up these allegations with legitimate evidence.
Kung sino po ang nagsasabi nito, kung sino po ang nagbibigay ng ganitong klaseng impormasyon, dapat kompletohin nila, hindi numero lamang. Kung saan nangyari, sinong involved, hindi po na naisin ng Pangulo na may lumusot na mga abusado.
In relation to these, the palace once again emphasized that the president's directive in addressing illegal drugs is clear, and that is that no blood should be shed.
Hindi po niya ginugusto ang extrajudicial killings. Ang pagsugpo sa illegal na droga ay may tamang pamamaraan. Lagi pong pinapanatili ng Pangulo ang tinatawag nating due process. Kailangan madinig din po ang mga taong inaakusahan. Hindi po kinakailangang ipapatay agad nang hindi sila nadidinig. Hindi po yan at wala po sa konstitusyon natin ang salitang death penalty. Hindi po ito pinapatupad sa bansa natin.
The palace also responded to the statement of former President Duterte's legal counsel Nicolas Kaufman that if he is invited by Castro to the country, he is open to coming to discuss the former president's interim release. Castro said that everyone is welcome to visit the country, but clarified that she is not inviting him. She also said there is no longer a need to discuss the former president's camp's request for interim release.
If he will be coming to the Philippines, I am more than happy to treat him. Buy him balut, bagoong, kwek-kwek, IUD, Adidas. But I will not discuss about the interim release because it has already been resolved by the ICC. So pag-uusapan lang namin ang ganda ng Palawan, El Nido, Manila Zoo, lahat po yan. Yun lang po.
Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.